Hello friends, today we will see the Proficiency in English Part 2 S4 Unit number 2 Proficiency in Writing Skill. The topic is process of writing. Friends, what is the process of writing? We know that various exercises are there like letter writing, essay writing, story writing, poetry, notice, resume, advertising, etc. So, how can we write it? Actually, it involves various steps like pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publication. In the first step, we collect the ideas, then we organize the ideas, then we prepare a rough draft, we revise it, and then we do proofreading. In the pre-writing stage, we pick up a topic, we brainstorm the ideas, we make a draft, we edit it, then we revise it and we publish it. In the first stage, it's a pre-writing stage, generating various ideas. Human brain is the storage of variety of ideas, and it is the teacher's duty to draw out these variety of ideas and give training to the students to draw the ideas from different angles. Then the students as a writer must understand the objective of writing. They should collect the information on the given topic from various resources. Then they have to list those points, then focus on one point, think about the audience who is going to read the topic or listen the topic, brainstorm. Then there are various techniques of generating the ideas. Let us see those. In the first technique, the teacher gives some guidelines to the students like points, questions, etc. For example, if the teacher wants to give them the topic of freedom fighters, then she provides them certain questions. The students read those questions, they think on it, and they try to find out the answers, and it helps them to generate certain ideas. For generating ideas, brainstorming is another technique. And in the brainstorming technique, the teacher provides a topic, she initiates a discussion on the topic in the classroom. All the students are supposed to tell the ideas related to that topic. Then the students come out with variety of ideas with the different angles like sound. If they are given the topic sound, then sound is related to environment, sound is related to the nature, sound is related to the economy, sound is related to the traffic, sound is related to the we can say the animal field, sound is related to music. So variety of ideas, they come out of human brains, and the students get benefit of this technique. Then the mind map is there. In the mind map, the global warming is the topic, and the topic is related to various fields. The relation between the topics is generated through this figure of mind map, and there is a hierarchy in the given topic. How the hierarchy is shown, it is developed, it is shown in the figure. This is helpful for the students to write the write up. Then the next step is drafting. In the drafting step, the students get benefit of the list of brainstorming sessions. Then they take the benefit of those points and they write the draft in the step drafting. The ideas are collected, the outline is prepared, the plan is made by the writer, the relevant points are selected, the unwanted points are excluded from the list, then the order is decided in all those points, then the words are properly selected, the ideas are expanded in the sentences, then the sentences are arranged properly in to form the paragraphs, and all these things are neatly arranged, and a cohesive draft is prepared by the writer. So these are the steps of drafting, you can see it. Then comes the next step, editing. In the step editing, editing means removing something. The writer can involve the correction, the organization, and other modification to produce an accurate write-up. The writer should read the draft, check every word, its spelling, capitalization, and punctuation, etc. And the writer makes correction if there are any. The writer also avoids unnecessary repetitions. The writer can use appropriate words, sentences. This is also called as proofreading. In the step modifying, the writer makes changes where the writer is not happy. Modify means not writing the whole thing again but making changes whenever required. Writer reads the draft again and again. Think of an audience. Write short sentences, makes the paragraphs short. The writer can add details, give more examples, can change the sequence of ideas. The writer has to read the content in a detached manner. It means the writer has to think in a detached manner when he reads the write-up. Then the draft is revised. The draft is read again and again. Try to improve the draft in the step revise. The re-seeing, rewriting the content is observed in the step revising. The writer reads the content again and again, gives the final shape to the draft. The writer may add, remove, or delete the content, rearrange the content, and the final draft is prepared. Now the draft is ready to present. And the last step is presenting the final draft. Now the final draft should be flawless. It should be without any mistake, without any error, and the draft should be neatly presented. So the draft may be a letter, it may be a paragraph, it may be a story, it may be a news. So every exercise has a separate layout. So it should be neatly presented, proper attention should be given to handwriting, printing, and layout, etc. So in this way, this is the process of writing. Thank you very much.